Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Woo-hoo. Last kind of nice weather day for us for a couple days. Supposed to be high winds later. Supposed to get snow tonight. It's ridiculous. You know what? I was going to do it later anyway, so hold on. Hold on here. You guys sit right there. I'm going to put up a little barrier here. Maybe try to keep everybody in this general area. I'll just let them out, you know. It's last night's day to do it. For a little bit, we got snow coming, so let's just see. You know what? Dark Queen, good morning, sir. Nice to see you guys in ducks. Come on out, everybody. Come on, D-dubs. Woo-hoo! Hey, everybody. Come on. Yeah. All right. Chickens. Boys. And you know what? I still got some stuff I'll spread around for you too here. I'll still throw that there. Let me throw this way over there for these guys. Jimmy, come on, man. Be happy about this. Jim, be happy, man. Come on, give me a break. Give me a break, man. Get out of here. Jimmy, come on, man. There's so much room now. Get out of here. Jimmy, you're crowding me. Come on, man. I'll go over here then. Jim, come on, man. Get over there. Oh, morning, fellas. Hi, Jolie. Sebastian. Get out of here. Get out of here, Jimmy. Go eat something. Look at... You know what? I don't care. Slate and Randall can eat all they want together. I like that. Maybe they made up, you know? Maybe that's just... Do we have to fight, Jimmy? Is that what's got to happen? Someone's got to win? You'll go down, fatty. Dark Wing, how you doing, bud? You guys want some morning, Brock? You guys want some lettuce? I got some lettuce. Jimmy's eating now with the boys, so I'll just let him kind of chill out there. You guys relax. Yeah. Chickens, hello? Oh, we got Juarez out. Oh, we got Peanut out. Oh, hello? Hello. I gotta get that saddle off that chicken. Every time I fix it, someone flips it. Hey! Yeah, let's get some, let's throw some greenness out for everybody too, huh? All right, look out, Randall. Excuse me, bud. Hey, can I get in there from thanks, bud. There. Put that full scoop right there for you, Slate. That's a big honking pile. All right. Hey, go ahead, get it, ducks. Hey, Randall. Morning, my friend. Oh, Dee Dee, how are you? Hey, Diva. Gotta get a saddle on you, honey. Uh-huh. Oh, hey, Beyonce. Jim. Hey, Darkwing, here, bud. Let me, Hey, Jim, you want some broccoli? It's broccoli, Jim. I think you're just trying for my glove. Do you like broccoli, bud? Here, hold on, Jimmy. Lettuce, sir? Dee Dee. You want some? Here you go. Here, hold on. I'm gonna stand up because I feel like you're gonna be a total jerk. I'm taking my bucket. I'm moving. I'm gonna go over here. Hey, Scarlett, want some broccoli? What do you think? What do you think? Oh. Yeah, I still got some lettuce, see? I still got some yummy lettuce. Just trying to find Miss Sweet Jolie. Oh, there she is, way over there. Behind you, honey. I threw it behind you. Whoop, whoop. Oh, Greta. All right, guys, I brought these out. I'm pretty sure you didn't like these last time, which I don't understand. I mean, who doesn't like snow peas? You know what I'm saying? What do you think about these? What do you think? I think these are delicious, Juarez. Ooh, right in the pail. Let me go check with some birds here, Juarez. I think that you want some broccoli, bud? What do you think of that, huh? There you go, guys. Hey, Betty. Good morning, babes. Here, look. Hold on. Yeah, good idea, huh? If I split it in half, what do you think? No, I gotta split it in half. Look, there's little seed things in there. Look at that. Look at those sweet things in it, huh? Sweet goodness, right? Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, let's go check with the mafia. Let's see if the. Oh, here. What's up, chicken? Hold on. What the heck you doing way out here, huh? There you go, Dee. Ow. No? Hey, Sebastian. Hey, here, check this out. No? Come on! How's this possible? These things are delicious. Come on, Scoop Guy. There's too much out here to eat. We don't want your stinking peas. I like him, you just kind of walking around, Jimmy. That makes me happier, man. You're not like, trying to assault me and stuff. What are you doing? Hey, bud. Here, hold on. I do got more lettuce in here, Jim. Here. Hey, Dee Dee. I swear to God, Dee Dee just wants to steal it from Jimmy. I think that's all it really is. Greta, what are you screaming? Gina. It's Gina, not Greta. Here. Berries! Oh, come on, Mafia! I put a... Come on, Peanut. Come on, Mafia. Like, I put that barrier up to try to keep you guys here, and you gotta go roaming around. Explorers. Huge, Steve. I knew you'd find the way around and see over that snowbank, you giant. Betty, over here. Big meanie Scarlet. Here. Do you want a berry, hon? Yeah, that's a good girl. Hey, Dee Dee. What? I don't have any more. I got nothing. Nothing, Dee Dee. I got nothing, Dee Dee. Excuse me, gentlemen. I got more. I mean, hey, Dee Dee. Dee Dee, come here. How high can you go? Scarlet, can you get it, Dee Dee? Dee Dee, do you want to try at least? Oh, come on, Dee Dee, here. You got to give Dee Dee some room there, Scarlet. You're not going to let her try? It's pretty high up there. It's right at my hip, Dee Dee. Woohoo! You wanna jump? Oh, come on, right? Give me a break, right? Randall, here you go, sir. Here, don't worry, buddy. I saved another one. Randall. Dee Dee, stop. Dee Dee, no. Slate, you want this one? Dee Dee, stop. It's Dee Dee. Man, you're like a ninja. Watch. Woo. Dee Dee. Slate, sir. Oh, man, you got the worst of it, bud. See where he got it on his snood? Ah, Scarlet. He stuck his snood in the cage. I told you, don't stick your snood in the cage. It's like rule 1. Oh, hey, Brock. Here, man. Hold on. I got some stuff in here still, Brock. Here, pal. Hold on here. Here you go, hon. What are you guys doing? Jolie, don't worry about them. Get out of here with that stuff, Jimmy. Jolie. I didn't mean to throw it at you like that, Baze, but like, go ahead and eat all that stuff, yeah. Oh, I'll back up. My apologies, my love. No, Jolie, don't worry about it, babe. Don't. Oh, man. Don't fall. Be careful. They're not your friends. All right, let me go, where's my lid at? Jimmy, you see my lid? Hey! Stop digging in the mud over there. Yeah, I'm talking to you. What the? I'm not talking. I had the lid on it. I'm just blind. It's over there. Yeah. So horrible with that finding stuff, man. If I was a superhero, that would be my weakness. Just hide my stuff. I'd never find it. Yeah. Foiled again. They hid my cape. You know what you're going to have to do, Jimmy, to get her attention. There you go. You know what you're going to have to do, bud. Get it, Jim. Betty, look. Oh, get the tail in. Yeah, Jimmy, get that tail in. Yeah. Betty. I think she was still eating, man. I mean, I saw Jimmy, and I think a lot of other birds did too. And they're all impressed, Jim. Super intimidated. Juarez is like, whoa. I certainly can't dance like that. Not sure how Cheeks felt about it. I know. I just think she was eating the whole time, Jim. I mean, it's not... Oh, man. What's going on? Oh, Jimmy. Jimmy, man. I don't know, bud. I don't know if you want to... I don't know if you want to pull that string, man. Might not like the reaction of that one. Good morning, honey.